Welcome to the Tunisian Crochet Graphghan Boutique. Today we will be doing a video that coincides with a cowl that's currently going on, and we will be doing a Tunisian Full Stitch color change at the beginning of the return pass. So we've done our Tunisian Full Stitch row, and I have 10 stitches on my swatch. You're going to yarn over and pull through your new color and hold your blue stitch and yarn over and pull through all the way across your project. Now, since we're working with pink on the return pass, our row that we actually completed on the forward pass was blue. So now in the full stitch, in the first stitch I had worked through here in blue using the first stitch, so now I'm going to skip the first stitch and go through the second stitch as the full stitch video tutorial shows. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and for our final stitch, since we only used the pink as cast off, you want to use your blue as your final stitch. So we're going to go under the 2 blue vertical bars, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull up a loop. So now we have our 10 stitches that are cast on. And we're going to do our return pass. I like to snug up my tail just a pinch and grab my blue, because we're working our return pass with a different color. Now, since we color changed for the pink row, so now we're going to pull through pink with the blue and hold your pink and cast off. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we will repeat the forward pass with the blue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to be using the pink, so we need to turn our project sideways and work through both pink and push the blue to the back and cast on our final stitch. And then we will cast off with our blue, or we'll cast off with our pink, excuse me. But you pull up your final stitch in your blue, you want to make sure that you pull it up through that pink and you get both vertical bars. And then for our cast off, again, like I said, I like to tighten my bobbin up a little bit and then pull through. So we're going to cast all off with pink, and then we will repeat our forward pass in the pink again, and we will continue to do this throughout the project, switching up the colors on your return pass. And when you're done, this tail, once you crochet it in and you do this, you can tighten this up so that you will see on the end just those 2 stitches. You can tighten this, so as you lay your work out, these stitches will be pretty much straight across and you won't have them dropping down. I hope that helps you, and along with the cowl, if you have any questions, please post the comments under this video and we will help you get them answered. Thank you very much for joining us again at the Tunisian Crochet Graphghan Boutique.